हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम जय शाह। और आज का टॉपिक है आप कैसे आपका जो हैंड राइटिंग है उसको कैसे इम्प्रूव करोगे। इट्स नॉट वेरी टफ, इट्स नॉट वेरी इजी, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ द प्रैक्टिस। ठीक है, तो आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आप लोग नॉर्मल जो राइटिंग है बच्चों से लेके सबका जिनका हैंड राइटिंग ख़राब है वो कैसे आपका हैंड राइटिंग को सुधार सकते, इम्प्रूव, जो कर्सिव स्टाइल में होगा। ठीक है, तो हम लोग आज लिखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट ए टू जी। ए टू जी स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स लिखेंगे। ठीक है, तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ। और जो भी मुझे देख रहे हैं जिन्होंने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, दे प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब मी एंड हेल्प मी टू हेल्प यू टू गिव द नॉलेज ऑफ राइटिंग। थैंक्स ऑल, be with me, and thank you again, and I wish you all happy new year 2022. Thank you. So let's start with a normal pen. Is Link Ocean Gel, 10 rupees in India. You'll get it. How to write it? The basic stroke will come from the up and down. Two types of stroke will be there. I show you how to write. Up, backwards, up. Okay, I have left it in this position, the middle part. Okay, like this. A, you can also write like this. A. Okay, and the B. The first style, this is the second style. This one is the third one. Okay, you have to just practice like this. Smooth hands, don't give pressure. Light slowly, and hold your pen or pencil like this. This finger will be in front. Okay, in the front position, and this thumb will be here. Sorry, my hand is little bit of ink. See, when you write with a pencil, you will hold your pencil like this. Okay, this sharp position will be like this. This is the position. Okay, don't press it hard. Few people just hold it like this, like this, like this, like this. No, it's wrong. You will hold your pen or pencil in this position. Okay, like this. You see clearly. All right, and always keep your left hand like this while you are writing. Up, down, up, and like this. Okay, smoothly. Up, down, up. I prefer pencil 4B or HB. Okay, 4B is dark and HB is extra dark. If you can afford, then you can buy that. It will come in about 5 to 10 rupees. One normal pencil. Okay, you see, normal pencil, and write with that. You see. This is just for beginners who want to learn. Okay, you just completed the B. Now the C. Up and a curve backwards. C. Now the D. Up, backwards, up. Slowly. You should maintain the angles. You see, this angle and this one is parallel. Okay, you have to just follow that. Okay, write deeply with this. Write smoothly. The second style D, like this. The E, the F, like this. Up, curve, and this one. This was a normal F for the beginners. For the students of school students, you can like class 4, class 5, class 3, 1, 2. They can write like this. You can see it again. The F one. Up, down, up, and this one. I show you again. Zoom it out. Okay, like this. This was the header and the baseline. Okay, these sheets are totally different, made actually for cursive and the calligraphy of Copperplate. If you want it, then you can contact me. I will just give my contact number on the link in the description box. You can just tell me. I can send you. You have to pay for that. Upstroke, down, like this. Okay. And now see the second one F. Up, give a curve. Okay. This will be in between this, like this again. Up. You see this angle and this angle will be parallel. Okay, like this. You can also give a straight cut. Okay, like this. This one is a normal gel pen, Link Ocean Gel. Okay, normal one, normal pencil or pen you can use for that, but I prefer the normal pencil. I am writing with that. Upstroke, curve and down. Give it a curve, or you can do straight. Okay. Now see the G. Up, downwards, up, slowly maintaining the angles. Give it backwards like this. Or upward like this. Or like this. 1, 2, 3. And for calligraphy purposes we use like this. Okay. Now I write with this gel pen, you see. I have not edited the speed or nothing. This one I am showing you really slowly, the normal motion. Okay, like this. Go up and down like this. Watch the video carefully, then you can understand everything. Okay, they are all cursive because they are all in a slant position of 55 degrees. Okay, 55 degree. You see the slants, they are the basic alphabets. Once you know this, then you can do any type of cursive and calligraphy. Okay, I will show you this G in calligraphy way with my pen, the calligraphy pen. Okay, I will show you later. Now, as I said you, the H, I will complete the H today. It will start right from this corner, up stroke, down, maintain the angles and give a curve here and upwards, like this, up, down and give a curve. I am writing with a pencil. You see how to write that. Zooming here out. See how to write. Like this. And the second style of H, I show you. Up, downwards, maintain the angles and like this. It's a normal H. Okay. Now see how the sheet looks like. You can also do like this and keep in touch with me, watch my videos. I will just show you how to write the basic alphabets. Today I completed the H. And thanks for watching. Good night and please subscribe and share my work if you like it. Thank you. Jai. Good night.